What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Lonnie. If this is your first time, welcome to Lonnie's Lessons. Today you're going to go thrifting with me. So I'm here in the Bronx at the Unique Clothing thrift store and I'm super excited to see what I can find. I'm going to try on some things and then later on I will show you what I picked up. So if you're interested in thrifting hauls, stay tuned. So as you can see, I am back from the thrift store and I had a really good time. That was a really random trip that I just took on a chance. I've been wanting to try the thrift store out, but I really didn't plan on going that day, but I'm really glad I did. So it's a new day and I'm just here to show you what I purchased. The first thing I got was this varsity sweater, and I'm gonna pop up a picture so you can check it out full body, but this is an amazing sweater. It is super thick. It has this cable knit detailing. It has striped black and blue around the cuff, around the neckline, the V-neck. There is this kind of zigzag, almost tribal, multicolor pattern. I just thought the colorway was really cool, and I thought that it was a great sweater to kind of explore the varsity sweater trend without investing too much money. Who wants to take a trip back to the 80s, 90s? I still have the tag on. This was $6.99. I love this sweater, and this sweater is quite a departure from my everyday style, honestly. I'm usually not really into the kind of vintage vibe, but I thought that this was just really well done, and I thought that all the different colors in it. It has neutrals, it has blacks, it has warm tones, and I just thought that it was a really cool sweater. And beyond that, it just fit me really well. And that's one tip for thrifting. Sometimes you'll find things that may be a little bit out of the box for your style, but they fit you like a glove. And in this case, as you'll see in the picture, this sweater fits me perfectly. It wasn't too big, it wasn't too small, and I was really able to see how I could style it. So I'm excited to pair it maybe with some black pants and some brown boots, or just any way that I see fit, maybe even with khakis, but it just really has that really cool kind of like Cosby Show 90s vibe, and I was into it. Up next is this waffle knit mock neck shirt. I am super excited about this because I was literally looking for this color. I've been looking for this color for a really long time. It's like this maroonish, sorry if it's blending in with my other maroon sweater, but it's like this maroonish color. I'm gonna give you a close-up. Like, I really love the color and the quality is great. It's actually part silk. It was only $7.99, and I think that this is a great find. It's really hard to find great basics, and this is in a really good color, and it is in great condition. Last but not least is this blazer. This blazer was $14.99, and it is by Lord & Taylor, I believe. So I just want to show you that. It is by Lord & Taylor. It is this navy blue tweed blazer. I want to show you the fabric. Like, look at the construction on this. Of course, I'll pop up a picture so you can see how it looks on. But again, fit me like a glove. And it really, really is just, if you don't go to the thrift store for any other reason but to find men's blazers, that's a good reason. You just can't find this type of construction these days for this price, $14.99. And it just looks really good. It's gonna look great with just a white t-shirt. It's gonna look good over sweaters. It's gonna look good with denim. It's gonna look good with chinos. It'll even look good with dress pants. So I'm super excited to style this, and I'm super excited that I caught this deal. And I found out that the Unique Thrift Store also has 50% off sales pretty much every week. So you just sign up for their VIP package, which is free. It's just like signing up for like a rewards card. Anyway, it gives you 50% off on days that they're having promotions. That's it for this thrift haul. Thank you for coming thrifting with me. I hope that you enjoyed the things that I found and also got a little bit of an understanding of my process as I shop in the thrift stores, because I know that it can be overwhelming. If you need any tips, leave the comments down below what tips you need if you are new to thrifting or if you are stuck. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this video. I leave you in love, peace, and style. Until my next video. Bye.